This is recording for day 10 of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge, 2nd of October, 30th September 2022. Sigi Numit Sigi trade review. Numit C, it opened with a flat opening. Ngarangi close to mapatuda dum chapmanana open tawre, and then it went down for a bit, and then market steadily recovered and rallied for the whole day. However, I did not take any trade on this particular day. The reason behind is that today at this 30th of September is an event day. There was RBI policy announcement by the RBI government, the governor. So actually, looking at the price action, by around 10 a.m. market was steadily recovering from this 20 EMA. For the past few days, market was trading below my 20 EMA. As you can see, 27 September, 28 September, 29 September, market was trading well below my 20 EMA. However, on this day, by around 10 a.m., market was starting to recover above this 20 EMA. And at this particular time, I could have entered a long trade for this. I was even planning to enter, and there was one opportunity to enter a long trade here. Why there was behind is that it had closed above the 20 EMA, as well as it had closed above this swing of previous day, swing high. First try, second try, on the third attempt, it had broken away from this swing high. So I could have entered a long trade here with a stop loss of around here. Looking at the Nifty also, by around 10 a.m. it was closing above my 20 EMA, and then from here I could have entered a long trade. However, Nifty was not showing a good sign because it was still trading below the previous day's swing high, this reason, around 16,900. However, I did not take any trade here because the RBI governor policy was still under announcement. It was going on from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Therefore, I was very cautious to take any trade on this particular time. And for the whole day, I waited for this price action for the candlestick to come close near my 20 EMA. Numit chupasi aigi 20 EMA manakta candle amata changsilakteba. Sidagi dum away oiraga dum chatkhreba. Ngambagi 20 EMA ki manakta any pullback am phangam targadi I could have entered a long trade for upside movement ki I trade am changam. Here also I could have entered one trade. Maramdi, the reason is that it had broken away from the previous day's high. The 28 ki high ki reason se sigi area se ki zone se dagi consolidate tawraga sikai thokraeba, almost forming a W pattern. So the W pattern am semaga sikai thokra. I could have kept my stop loss here and entered the trade till sigi high sibo target oraga changam bayabane, but I did not take any trade here. Same logic, it was still away from my 20 EMA. 20 EMA sidagi lapaga layeba. Duna anytime 20 EMA sibo chinsilakpa yabagi chance layina, I do not take any chances. That is one reason. Even in Nifty also, here I could have entered one trade. It was forming a higher high relation for a short duration here. There was one swing low is here, a higher low, and then a higher low, and it broke away from this region like a ascending triangle pattern. When it broke away from here, I could have entered one trade here, but I did not take any trade on this particular day. As you can see, there is no trade record for 30th of September. I'm still content that I do not take any trade, because on any event days where there is RBI governor policy announcement or budget day announcement, market usually used to be very volatile and can take any wild movement on either directions. That's all.